Hello friends, we started series of HTML. This is the second video of HTML, but according to content, it's a first video. So let's see what we will discuss in this video. First, what is HTML? HTML stands for HyperText Markup Language. It means first we understand real meaning of HyperText Markup Language. Hypertext means hypertext. What is hypertext? Hypertext means it means hypertext is the text to link various web pages. Markup. What markup means? It means we highlight text by underlining or displaying color text. Language means it refers to way of communication between web pages which has own syntax and own rules. It is the standard language for creating web page. If you want to create a web page, then first you need to learn HTML. HTML describes the structure of web page. It's define and structure of web page using multiple elements. It consists of series of tags that define content. So, history of HTML developed by Tim Berners-Lee in 1991. HTML 2.0 1995 is introduced standardization. HTML 4.01 in 1999 added styles and scripting support. Now we will learn HTML5. It is introduced in 2014, introduced multimedia and modern web features. Modern web feature means it added some features like some text, video, audio, like that. HTML5. HTML and HTML5. HTML5 introduced new text. New text elements like video, audio, and canvas. Improved from elements which with new input type. Supports offline web applications, local storage, session storage, enhanced multimedia support, and better mobile compatibility. Multimedia like audio video combinations is called multimedia. So now we discuss basic structure of HTML. This is the basic structure of HTML. Like doc type. Doc type it define HTML version. What version we use? HTML5. This specify the version of HTML. So we highlight that version. This is the HTML head, title. हेड को हम क्लोज करेंगे. So now we discuss about basic structure of HTML. Doc type. It means it's define the version of HTML. Head HTML. HTML is the parent of all HTML tags. HTML tag means parent of all HTML tags, and after that this is head tag and title tag. So head tag means parents of all metadata tags. All metadata tags means metadata what? Data about data, it's called metadata. Metadata, you think you go in a shop and buy a machine. So salesman give you booklet. Booklet means head tag, data about data. If you buy a machine, so they give you a booklet. This is means head tag. It's work like a head tag. So title. If you give anything here in like page title is showing in web browser. This is body tag. Opening body tag and closing body tag. Opening body tag, it's define the body of page. Body tag define the body of page. H1 is heading tag. P this is the opening P tag. This is a closing P tag. P tag means paragraph tag. It's define the paragraph. Now we understand basic structure of HTML. So now let's new setting up HTML document. So here we already discussed about this. Use doc type to declare documentation type. Document type we declare by the doc type. HTML element warms the entire document. Head section contain metadata and title. Body section contain the visual content. Means what will be show in the web page, it's defined by the body tag. HTML comment used to add notes in HTML code, not display on the web page. If you write any comments in web page, it's not showing on the display of web browser because it's a hidden, like this is the syntax of comment. Here bracket start, exclamatory sign, hyphen hyphen, and what you write here, this is comment, and hyphen hyphen close. Helpful for code organization. It's helpful for developer. If you want, if you read anything, if you write anything, then you easily understand code by the help of comment. Can be multi-line comments or single line comment. Basically comment two types. So first is multi-line comment and single line comments. So follow this channel for like this video. Thank you.
Please subscribe to our YouTube channel.